Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a whole house power hour clean with me. I hope you guys stick around for this. Is going to be a very motivating one, a quick motivating one. I was moving like a maniac because I was really trying to get everything done within the hour, so definitely stick around for this. If you are new, my name is Tarisha and thank you so much for being here. Please do subscribe because I love to have you guys here, and thank you so much for stopping by. Let's tackle that to-do list together. Love you guys and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button please, and give this video a thumbs up, and please do leave me a comment. I love to chat with you guys and I want to see who is watching. And if you just found my channel, please let me know how you found it, how you found me, and how you like it so far. Love you guys and I appreciate each and every one of you. I am 1 minute into cleaning. I forgot to set my timer, so clock. Oh shoot. Let's go. I don't know if I'm gonna get it done in 1 hour, but let's fingers crossed.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets
myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kinda funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you get me out there fine. You're gentle and wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
So it's 00 minutes. The timer is going off, and it's 7:46. So the timer went off, and I'm almost done. I just got the bathroom to finish cleaning. I'm just gonna finish cleaning the toilet and wipe the floors, and then that's it. That should be another 5 minutes. I am done. It's now 7:53. Well, no, 7:54. And I believe the last time I came here it was 7:47 when the timer was stopped. So, and I said it would take me 5 minutes. I'm not sure. Well, that was over 5 minutes, but I got everything on my to-do list for today completed, and I am happy I did not touch a TV stand because it's still decorations under that I need for the living room. So I'm not going to go put them back into storage and then have to take them out again. So that makes no sense. So they're just going to sit there because I am going to tackle those, do that tomorrow. So I'm just going to let it stay right there. So stuff was still on the TV stand. I just vacuumed the floor and put the pillowcases on the pillows, sort of the sofa, and straighten up in the living room, and it's fine. It's fine. And for those heavyweights, I can't lift them up, so they're just gonna stay there until hubby comes from work. He moves them and take them into the workout room where they belong. Now guys, if you guys made it this far, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Until next time guys, have a blessed day, blessed week, blessed month, and a fabulous day. I love you guys, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. I hope this video was motivating for you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Love y'all, and thank you for being here.
Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get